Hello and welcome. Today we will be talking about dividing and transplanting yarrow. I have 2 yarrow plants here, which I planted back in the fall of 2019, and they've grown significantly larger. They're really spreading, and they're getting a little too large for their space. So I'm gonna dig this out and divide them. So the yarrow grows by rhizome, so it easily creates roots along the stem and therefore spreading itself as a new plant. So this is, nice if you want a lot of yarrow, but you also have to be careful and keep it under control if you don't want it spreading this much. But it is very easy to pull, so it's not like it grows very deep roots. Here's the center of the yarrow that I had planted, and it looks like it pretty much is like a little bit dead in the center, and it did grow all the way around. But it's starting to die here. So this is another reason why I am lifting both of these up and then dividing them. So the ones I'm looking for to transplant are ones that might have this singular stem. That way it can sort of create its own crown and be its own plant. So I'll cut off like this shoot here and maybe some dead growth in here. And I have a few here that I've already potted up, and I have to water them in. And these are the ones that will be for the taking. So here are the final pieces of yarrow that I kept. I actually have some more by the rocks, but I am going to divide that up and put into some slightly larger containers to also probably give away to neighbors and friends. But these 2 here that I kept, I think will get really huge again, and I'll probably have even more to give away once again. And here are the yarrow transplants 3 weeks later. They are just loving life in these containers, and yeah, they're doing great. And I'll be probably giving these away as well, because I have enough yarrow in my yard for sure. Anyway, thanks for joining me, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.